We're all ready, guys. Same people as always.
Yay!
Penguins!
Oh no, I pushed the wrong button again!
Kevino!
Kevino.
Kevino's noob. Do you guys see Kevino's noobiness?
Let's do this!
Let's go.
Okay, how does this level work?
Kevino! Oh my
No!
god!
No!
I'm moving so slow! Going!
Holy crap, they shoot missiles at you!
Shoot the missiles at you!
Have fun,
They
guys.
shoot missiles!
It's good thing me and Gorino committed suicide.
I get the power up! I get the power up!
Look at me dance! Look at me dance!
I get more power up!
Not dance.
Kevino's
We're
having
in
much
the middle of
fun.
recording.
I lay bomb by...
Why does my bunny
Fire.
thing have the power to dance?
Because
See, like-
I lay
because
bomb
you
by
were
firework.
You were
Ah! Missile!
Oh, now the fire begins.
No!
This level is fun.
For them. Well, me and Gorino are dead already.
I must lay bomb!
Hey, Kevino, you should try to go to the igloo.
No.
Igloo! I want an igloo!
Hey,
I
don't
go
to
in.
the igloo.
I lay bombs.
Probably the safest place too.
Woo!
That was close, Naka.
I lay bomb!
Oh gosh!
Kevino want to fool himself.
Hey, be happy at least tells you where it's gonna
Yeah,
land.
that is true. Be at least happy that they gave you a warning.
No!
Oh no, Kevino.
Kevino loses bunny. This level is so
Well,
much
there's
fun
no-
for them.
There's no blast radius.
Oh!
Missiles.
Just by its own
That
bomb.
was a cheap shot!
It looked like Naka was bouncing on that bomb for victory. Or something.
I was about to get a buddy too!
No bunny for you, Kevino.
Nope. Igloo.
Ichu.
Slow! I get power up!
3 bomb pack.
Look at the missiles!
Oh yeah, I forgot there were missiles.
Guys, I can launch 3 bombs at once.
Oh yeah, I wasn't alive
More
last
little
time.
missile!
Okay.
Bunny! Bunny!
Oh,
Bunny's
Have a
cool.
bomb, Gorino!
I don't want bombs.
Ohms.
Hey, Gorino.
Yay, it's a buddy!
Oh
What's this buddy do? Oh yeah, it's the swift one. Like Eric the Swift.
Have a bomb!
I get
Woo!
back.
Oh snap! Oh my god!
Oh
Oh crap! I pushed it the wrong way!
no! I want power-ups.
You guys should have played soccer with that.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm super fast, Naga. Whoa!
No!
It's gonna be interesting. Slow and steady wins the race, Kevino.
What the fudge?
I told you, slow and steady wins the race.
Oh crap!
Yes!
Wow, you survived just long enough.
Cha-ching!
Just long
Kevino
enough,
was happy.
Kevino. Just long enough.
Let's see if me and Gorino can last longer
to
than
let
now.
the burgers stand on the top of
I
the
think
mountain.
playing the 3 is a little
I
bit
can
much.
take it,
Maybe
Howard.
play the 2.
Kevino wants to run a burger stand.
Kevino wants a burrito. Don't you, Kevino?
But this level's fun,
Oh
Naka.
crap!
Kevino likes cheeseburger.
As Naka screams. It's a buddy! Am I the kicky one?
Please.
No, I'm the freaking
Oh,
dance
no,
one
wait,
again!
sorry.
Why do I always get the dance one?
Because you play Dance Dance
Oh, that
Revolution,
one's
that's
ability
why.
may be the ability to push blocks.
Whee!
No, it's not. Look, he dances.
Well, push the blocks, see what happens.
Gorino!
Yay!
How did I die? I had a buddy!
Yeah, you lost them. Then
2
you got
bombs
exploded.
simultaneously. One would probably
Let's
hit
see if
you
I can
afterwards.
this time.
If I ever
That's
get a
not
pink bunny, I would
cool.
like to see what... pink buddy. I would like to see what his ability is.
He dances! That's all he does!
He may push blocks though.
No,
But
I already
never
tried.
the one
He
that
doesn't
push
do
block.
it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, great. I got the hoppy one.
Well, that means you can dodge if you use it right. It's precision jumping.
Just
Oh,
hop.
fudge!
Enemy.
I want the bomb kick. Kick!
Oh crap!
Kick! Kick!
No!
That's what you get, Doc, for playing too much with the kick. Wow! The missile actually goes inside the igloo. Oh, fooge.
Kevino.
Yes, I know, Naka. Karma.
It was just a very calm. Oh, fudge.
Now, wouldn't it be fun if they shot missiles more often? Like
I don't know what,
at
but
a
they're
time.
picking it up faster now.
Pew pew. Oh. Draw.
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 No!